to Some Mathematics. In this video, I'm looking at midpoint of a line, and I'm still on the series Coordinate Geometry 1, which is about straight line. The first part, we look at the distance between 2 points. So if your first time of watching this video, there's a part 1 that you can go back and then watch it as well. A is a point minus 3, 2, and B is 4 minus 6. We have to find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. So this is a line AB. So midpoint, let's represent it by P. That is XY. So how do we find the midpoint of a line? And the formula is the midpoint of a line is given by, you add the X component divided by 2, you add the Y component, then you divide it by 2. Okay. So assuming that our A, let's label it as the first Y value. So obviously this one will be the first Y value. Then the second one, the second X value, the second Y value. So putting them in the formula, the midpoint XY becomes X1 from here is minus 3 plus X2 is 4 on 2. And then Y1 is 2 plus Y2 is minus 6 over 2. So we have minus 3 plus 1 is 1 on 2. Then 2 minus plus minus 6. We have minus 4 on 2. This we can't go further. So minus 4 on 2 is minus 2. So that be the midpoint. Let's look at another question. If Z 1 on 2, 3 on 4 is the midpoint of here, to find the coordinate of M. If N is 2, then 1 on 4. So you have your straight line. This is your M. Then this is your N. Then according to the question, Z is dividing MN. We know this value. 1 on 2, 3 on 4. We know this as 2, 1 on 4. But we don't know M, so we can let M be AB. Yes, the X component be A, then Y component would also be B. If that is the case, see, according to the formula, the midpoint, and under this, let's label this one as our X, first value of X, first value of Y, second value of X, second value of Y. So this is equal to, you add the X component divided by 2, you add the Y component and divided by 2. So let's do the substitution. So X1, we said that A plus X2, 2 on 2. Then Y1 is B plus Y2, that is 1 on 4, or on 2. So this is the midpoint. But then Z has been given to us as 1 on 4, 2, and then 3 on 4. So this implies that A plus 2 on 2, then B plus 1 over 4 on 2 is equal to 1 on 2, then 3 on 4. Now we begin to compare the X component. Comparing X and Y component respectively. So we are going to have A plus 2 over 2 is equal to 1 on 2. So and cross multiply. This implies that A plus 2, when you cross multiply, you are going to get 1. So A will be 1 minus 2. So A is equal to minus 1. And then let's see the Y component. So the Y component will be B plus 1 over 4 and 2 is equal to 3 and 4. Okay, let's do cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. So which means that 4 times B plus 1 over 4 is equal to 2 times 3. So we have 4B plus 1 plus 4 times 1 over 4 is equal to 6. So we have 4B is equal to 6 minus 1. We send 1 to this side. So we have 4B is equal to 5. So we divide both sides by 4. D is 5 on 4. And this is an improper fraction. 4 going to 5, 1, remainder 1 on 4. Let's go back to the question. We are to find the coordinate of M. So when we say coordinate, it is X and Y component that forms a coordinate. So you don't leave the answers in this form. Therefore, M coordinates are -1 and then 1 whole number 1 over 4. So viewers, thank you very much for staying with me in this short period. If you are watching me for the first time and you have not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be alerted. Bye.